Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
You know uRatha uyaphapha nje straight up. Ayikho futhi enye indlela engizoyi-sugarcoat-a ngayo. You know, he is busy gaslighting defense like you've never seen, and then he was trying to gaslight advocate Sipho Ramosipili. Hey, ebhizi naye ethi nje if you've got a little bit of intelligence. Yo, yabona uRamosipili ungamkwatisi ngoba then uqala bese yakonkorensa. Ayi, akabi right. Vela ngingize like you've never seen. Kwake, oh, he was so angry. Oh my gosh. And uze washo wathi, you know what? I wanna explain this when I'm calm. You could see ukuthi he wanted ukuthi nje avele ayimlanda uRatha literally there where he was sitting. No, Ratha, guys. Like he doesn't even know when to stop. He has no timing, nothing whatsoever. Yabo lento yakhe abantu abamnyama. Le thing is not working. Iyabhora and it backfired so badly. Ramosipilo wathi lalela, listen here. At least ke nginayo ke encane intelligence. What is that what I said? And he didn't care. He continued with Baloyi. He just doesn't get it, guy. He says things and then he doesn't even look at you. He was now looking at Baloyi's direction. I was just like, how rude. You know? Ratsanji is in another level, bruh. Like I've always said, manje, and like I have been saying, he must go. Right? He must just go. And then he has to support some don't on social media. Again, it's not the first time I get. And today you should twice. Bandabamya. Like, why? There's no need for that. I'm sure ma umuntu uyazizwa ukuthi what are you even saying right now? Uthini? Ratha needs to stop, man. And the problem with him, he doesn't know when to stop. He continues like da with him. He is so annoying. Oh my gosh. Ratha. Ngibhora like you've never seen. And already unencwadi vele ayibhalayo Sifiso Meyiwa wathi nje kija kahambi. Ratha.
6 times. Uma sibuka-ke iy'ncwadi zasenkantolo zaseTlhabane, ingabe kuyiqiniso yini ukuthi ke laphayana eTlhabane uMjiyako wakumela khona-ke amahlandla awu-6?
Kusenkantolo ukuthi mina wangimela amahlandla ayi-6 angazi ngoba kunamalanga la bengayi ngawe court kuthiwe mina ngiyagula ngihlele emaseleni ngingaguli.
As to whether he represented me 6 times, my lord, I don't know, because there were occasions where I would not be taken to court and the court would be told that I am sick when I wasn't sick.
See, the first time he came on record was on the 13th of July 2020.
Okokuqala noma ihlandla lokuqala kwakungeyi-13th kaJuly 2020.
Also on the 3rd of August 2020.
Ngeyi-3 zika-August 2020.
Uyamalanga amangaka angazi ngoba kunamalanga la engayi ngawe court kuthiwe ngiyagula ngilele emaseleni ngoba icourt yaseRustenburg yangibuza ukuthi lamalanga athi ungeze ngawe court kuthiwe uyagula ngabe iqiniso ukuthi nakulona iqiniso.
Now, during the proceedings of 18 February 2026, in your evidence in chief at page 53, line 13, you testified as follows. It is because, my lord, if I go to court, he would not come. We'll just start that, perhaps few lines above that. At line 4, this is now during the questions by Advocate Nisi. At line 4, page 53, Mr. Ramosipili, in his interaction with you, asked you whether is there any document that you signed that came from Mr. Mjiyako. Then you said you signed nothing. Then you responded, there's nothing that I signed. Then Advocate Nisi at line 9, thank you. You told the court, if I'm not mistaken, at Tlhabane that you wanted to open a case against him. Why was that? Why did you want to open a case against him? And then you respond as follows. It is because, my lord, if I go to court, he would not come, he does not come to me, or he did not come to me. I would find him in court, then in court he will say he is representing me.
Lana-ke imibuzo oyibuza uyena-ke u-Advocate Mnisi nge-18 February kuwona lo nyaka. Umnumzane kaMosipile inkulumo yakhe nawe-ke ukubuzile-ke ukuthi kukhona yini owakusayinda okwakubuya kuyena umjiyako. Waphendula-ke wathi wena akunalutho owayisayina. Uma uphendula-ke wena akukho engakusayina. Qhubeka-ke ubaba uMnisi, ngiyabonga. Uyitshelile inkantolo uma ngenza iphutha ukuthi-ke eThabang wawufisa ukuthi-ke uvule icala noma umvulele icala. Kwakungani? Yini isizathu esasibangela ukuthi ufune umvulele icala? Uma uphendula-ke wena, yingoba ngosenkantolo uma ngiya enkantolo wayeza enkantolo engezi kumina noma angazi kumina, ngimthole esenkantolo. Enkantolo-ke uzothi noma uzotshela inkantolo ukuthi umele mina.
Ngethemba lenkulumo la ayikho lapha wrong khona.
There is nothing, I believe that there's nothing wrong with this.
Ngoba namanje ngishilo phambi kwecourt. Lenkulumo le ihambisana nenkulumo engikhuluma ecourt. Ukuthi lo muntu lo uthi ungummeli. Utshena ubani ukuthi ngisejele. Utshena uqashwa ubani, ubhadalwa ubani. Mawulandela lenkulumo ebhalwe phansi.
If you follow what is written there, it is what I told the court, that this person claims to be a legal representative. Who appointed him? Who told him that I was going to court, and who was furnishing him with financial instructions?
Ngoba njengamanje ngiphambi kwecourt azange ngikhonjiswe lapha ethena wafunela khona usisi wabhadala khona usisi akaze ngikhonjiswe mina lapha phambi kwecourt.
Right now I'm before this court. There is no way where it was pointed out to me or where I was shown that he was appointed by my sister and where that he was receiving financial instructions from my sister.
So what you're saying here, Mr. Ntanzi, is that Mr. Mjiyako was standing up in court and saying he's representing you. That is what you're saying there.
Okushoyo noma kuloko okubhaliwe la ukuthi uthi wayesukuma yena enkantolo atshela inkantolo ukuthi umele wena.
Ngiphinde futhi ngoba manje mina lento engikhuluma ngizoyiphendula answer kuze kube kayi-10 la. Kumele ngiphendule answer eyi-1. Ngithi mina ecourt mangena ngomnyango lo muntu uhleli nje ngoba eRustenburg ngangangeni ngendlela le ngene ibosho. Bengena la inkosi enkantolo ehleli la. Ngiqhamuka sengiqhamuka ephambi kwenkantolo. Manje ngiqhamuka ngithola umuntu umile uyakhuluma ecourt. Ngizothi sengisose uxoleka sengitshela ukuthi Ntanzi uzobuya ngelanga eliso. Ngezwa ngenkulumo ukuthi ithini ecourt.
What I'm telling this court, I'm going to say this, even if I answer the same question for the 10th time, is that I would not enter through the very same entrance that the other prisoners were using. I would maybe enter the courtroom just close to where the court or the magistrate was sitting, and when I will be entering, I would find someone already addressing the court, and then it would be the interpreter that would then tell me as to what happened or when the matter has been postponed to, without having heard as to what was his address to the court.
Icourt ikisiguqile yini engezikime emotweni oratshela amaphoyisa ngicela ukukhuluma nalo muntu lo makuthi lawyer ngempela ayimela ngendlela esemthethweni ayineqiniso.
Let's say now the court has now already as adjourned. Why would he then not come to me, consult with me, or come to the vehicle and ask the police to speak to me if indeed he was a legal representative?
That Mr. Mjiyako is on record that Every time when you enter the courtroom, you found him addressing the court. You didn't hear what he was saying on all those occasions.
Ingabe uthi kuona onke lamahlandla uzokhumbula umshushisi ubalele amahlandla awu6 ethi-ke iwona amahlandla umjiyako ayekumele ngawo. Ingabe inkulumo yakho ithi kuona oyi6 lamahlandla la ekuthiwa umjiyako ayekumele ngawo uthi ubuthi wena uma ungene enkantolo ungene esekhuluma yena onke lamahlandla?
Cha, hayi wonke.
Not all of them.
Okokuqala bengibuye ngangena ecourt ngamalanga ecorona mina eRustenburg.
Firstly, during the COVID times, I would not be able, or I would not enter court in Rustenburg.
Ngiyethemba necourt leschool ngiyitshenile ngathi mina amalanga la ongena kwami ecourt eRustenburg nongangena angisawakhumbuli.
Even the court where we are right now, I informed this court that the times when I would enter the court and not enter the court in Rustenburg, I cannot remember those times.
Let's look at the proceedings of 29 June 2020 at Tlhabane. You'll recall that your first appearance at Tlhabane Court was on the 22nd of June 2020. The case then gets postponed to 29 June 2020.
Yes, I hear.
Then on the 29th of June, you were not brought to court.
Nge-29 zikaJune abazange bakulethe enkantolo noma bakuyise enkantolo.
Isizathu esibhaliwe.
Is the reason documented?
It says in isolation for COVID-19. Now there's a lady, Mrs. According to the record, defense, Miss Matjie, M-A-T-J-I-E. Who is this lady?
Are we on the 29th?
Yes. Yes, 29th.
Okay. Kunomama obhaliwe-ke lana. Oh, sorry, ubuze umbuzo uthi-ke isizathu asifundile umshushisi lapho ukuthi-ke kwakuyizathu kwangenxa-ke ye-corona. Kodwa-ke kunommeli la obhaliwe uMiss Matjie. Ummeli. Ubani yena? Singo ijwabo 29 June 2020. Angummeli bale defense Matjie.
Mina ngakho nje phambi kwecourt angikhumbula ama date la angangena ngawe ecourt nengangenanga ngawo.
Hence I'm telling the court that the dates on which I entered the court and I also did not enter the court, I cannot remember those dates.
Ngoba ngelanga lokuqala mangikhumbula kahle elanga nje lokuqala ngivele ecourt eHlabane kwakungomunye usisi wayemhlophe namanje ngizengaqeda icala ekhona esebenza lapha eRustenburg ngihlale ngimbona.
Because on the very first occasion there was a lady that was uma uthi emhlophe usho ukuthi yena mhlophe ibala noma yena umuntu omnyama. Okay. She was light in complexion. Even when I left there she was still there.
Nayi igama lakhe ngisakhumbula nesibongo ngisasikhumbula ngoba kwelanga lokuqala.
I can't remember her name, I can't remember her surname because it was the first day.
Looking at the letterhead of Mjiyako attorneys dated 3 March 2021 that we have canvassed you, amongst the directors is a lady Dineo Chia. Is she the one who was appearing here on the 29th of June?
Umshushisi uthubuka-ke incwadi leyana yase yakwamjiyako noma-ke abameli ababesebenza laphayana ngaphansi-ke kwaleya family yana noma inkampani yakwamjiyako. Phakathi-ke kwabantu ababhaliwe laphayana ukhona uJiya. Uyabuza-ke ukuthi ingabe mhlasimbe uyena yini lona owayekumele ngaleli langa leli.
Mhlambe nguye.
Maybe it's her.
Uma ukuthi nguye la ngagcina ngikhuluma phambi kwecourt elanga ngimxosha ngalo.
If it is the lady on the day that I addressed the court and ended up terminating her mandate.
And mina okugcina phambi kwecourt ngicela ungangifake etwenza kwamjiyako ngoba umjiyako ngamqashanga.
And lastly, before this court, please don't involve me with matters relating to Mjiyako because I never appointed Mjiyako.
Now, if it was Mrs. Chia, how would she have known that you have to appear in court on the 29th of June 2020?
The appearance of the 29th of June 2020, Exhibit RR. The person representing accused number 1 is Miss Machie. It's not Miss Chie.
I mean, we're splitting hairs. There was only one lady. You can see it's just a typographical error.
No, but it must be read as...
No, come on, please. It's
No,
just
but it must
it's a
be-
typographical error.
Who says so?
You see, hello, wait. I've got a bit of intelligence.
Yes.
Just read the letterhead of the Mjiakos, the surname of that lady. God, Jesus.
It's Mr.
Hello, Miss?
Dineo Chia,
Right.
TJIA.
Yeah, TJIA. I take it we are all blacks. TJIA. And on the other one, you say it's Machie. Is that not so?
Yes.
Machie.
Yes.
From the hand script.
Yes.
Right.
Yes, but
So that's why I'm saying,
But my lord, you know...
okay, I'm wrong then.
No, you are not wrong.
I'm wrong.
I'm addressing something else. I'm addressing something else, my lord. My lord, when I stand up here, and I've always said it, and I'm going to be very calm with it. I'm saying the record must be read as here is Miss Machie. There may be a Miss Chie and Miss Machie. There may be Kwena and Makwena. They are not the same persons.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying.
But
you're right.
importantly, my lord makes this remark. At least I've got a bit of intelligence. So Ramsipili does not have.
No, it's because,
No. That's what the court
because
is
for
saying.
35 years I was an attorney.
I've got 20 years now.
Yeah, right.
20 years as an attorney as well.
just wait, man. Let me give you some bit of experience. And then Mr. Baloi says the letterhead says Machie. It's Tswana, and I'm Tswana.
Yes.
And then the other note, he says it's Tie. Fine, it's two different names,
Yes.
but I've been sitting in this case for 3.5 years. We know that only one female attorney who was fired, according to Mr.
My lord, I've got a practice. My candidate attorneys do not appear on my letterhead. There may be
That's not a candidate
attorney who is Miss
Yeah, you're
Machie,
right.
who's
She's not-
appearing.
not like
And there may be a director who's Miss Chie.
No, she's a director. You're right.
Yes.
Is she a director, sir?
yes,
That's the
she's
point.
managing
Candidate
director.
attorneys don't appear on letterheads because they are not qualified.
Yes.
Can you please go on?
No, going on, but my lord, with respect, I mean, this court I've always said, I respect this court. To say, at least I've got some intelligence, it means at least Ramsipili is very...
Is that what I said?
Yes.
Yes. Moving
Right.
on, Mr. Ntanzi, we see on the 13th of July 2020, Mr. Mjiako is on record